right, guys, so we made it to Tug Hill. They got anywhere between 12 to 18 inches to all the way up to 24 inches in some spots. They had about 3 inches of base. So as you can see, they got quite a bit of snow. They panned the trails, they didn't fully groom them, so there's gonna be some powder out there. Looking to find some deep stuff to ride the SKS in. She's warming up right now. We're gonna get it out. We're gonna get some clips from today. First ride on it. Unfortunately, my mic did break, so I'm not gonna be able to talk while I'm riding, which is unfortunate, but I'll let you know, put some clips in here and there, how I like it, how it's handling, and all that. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have recently. It's been amazing. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe for more content coming soon. We'll be going to Maine mid-February, so I can't wait for that. All right, guys, let's get into the video. Right here, all the snow blew in. Look at it, the wheelie through deep shift. I can't wait to get to Maine where we can hit this kind of stuff all the time. So right here, guys, we're running down this trail, and this is down by Olin Road, I think, and I started to get some bumps, and I'm actually pretty impressed with the 850 SKS with how it handles it. It bridges the bumps really good, just like my Assault did. The shock package on it is pretty much similar to the Assault, so it just eats the bumps up pretty good. So overall, I'm really happy, and I can't wait to see what it does in deep, deep snow and go from there. Now back to the video, guys. Oh yeah. Stomp.
This is amazing. Early riding conditions. Somewhat breaking trail, having gone into some powder. This is the way it should be. Pulled me in too.
All right, guys, it's about 3:30. I rode for about 6.5 hours by myself today. The trails were actually really good. I love it. All these people told me, don't go, it's terrible, blah blah blah. But there was literally, it was pretty fluffy, but for the most part they groomed the trails, so you had like 3-4 inches of of loose snow on the trails. It was fun. I found some trails that weren't even groomed, so that was fun. A couple people had went on it, then I went on it and played and whined in a little bit. It was like 2 feet of snow, so the SKS did really, really good. Definitely from the Assault though, it definitely is a little bit more tippy in the corners. It comes up on you really quick. You'd be going in a corner, turning pretty hard, and then all of a sudden it catches and it really gets up on one ski. So I have it on the widest setting right now. Back to what I was saying, guys, I just realized I lost the scratcher on this side, which is unfortunate. It was loose down there. I tried to tighten it back up as much as I could. I was just trying to get back so I could get my tools and then retighten it, but I guess my luck, lost one scratcher. I'll probably run it the way it is for now, but have to get another one. The other side's nice and tight. I don't know, I put Loctite on everything, so that's crazy to me. But as I was saying, the sled did really good overall, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Supports me a lot, guys, and I can't wait. We got so many more sled videos coming soon. I got a couple other things coming up, and then like I said, late February, I'm going to be going to Maine, so be looking out for that. So I can't wait, guys. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.